FarmShots contains a wide variety of features that enable you to analyze your field throughout the growing season. To view imagery from your fields, begin by clicking on your farm tile. FarmShots provides 10-meter satellite imagery every 3 to 5 days based upon your location. From within your farm section, you'll notice the most frequent imagery available on the left sidebar. You can scroll through this sidebar to access imagery from earlier in the season, or you can click on the Options section at the top to easily filter to imagery from the previous years. On your Images sidebar, icons to the right of the date indicate cloud coverage on the day that the imagery was captured. Selecting an image with a full sun icon will ensure that the imagery that you are viewing contains the fewest clouds. Numerous algorithms are provided at the upper right-hand side of the FarmShots website. NDVI is the most commonly used algorithm for measuring plant health during the growing season, but there are additional algorithms that you can utilize for things such as examining your crops before canopy closure, analyzing fields for standing water, and much more. An in-depth guide with explanations for each of these algorithms is available through our Syngenta Digital Help Center. A link to that guide can also be found below in the video description.